G'day, I'm Talia, and this is Jaden. We have been exploring what our beautiful country has to offer in our time off work and weekends. We will soon be trading the grind for the good times and hitting the road to see what other hidden gems we can find. Subscribe to join the adventure. We're still having some issues with the fridge. G'day guys, we're back for another video. We're getting ready to head to Conondale National Park this weekend. So we're just packing up the last few minute things in the canopy. But we found we're having a few issues with the connection to our fridge. So we don't think it's the fridge, it keeps cutting out, but we think it's potentially the connection from the battery. So I just went yesterday to get some more 12-volt stuff, just to sort of do a temporary fix. We don't really want to do too much because we're in the middle of trying to get a new canopy, so we don't want to spend all the money getting this canopy set up when we're about to get a new one. So we're sort of just doing a temporary fix that'll be fine for weekend trips away, which is all we'll be doing. So we're just gonna fix that up this morning. And then hit the road. It'll only be plug and play pretty much, so we'll be on the road pretty soon. If Jaden gets out of bed, he had a work event last night, so he's got home a bit late, so he's a bit tired, but got to try and get him out of bed, so we'll see how we go. Alright, 12-volt issue is fixed to the best I could. It's only very temporary. I'll show you quickly, but I've just run 2 new cords from the battery up into the canopy, which is how we've had it set up for quite a while actually, just because it's only temporary. And I'm gonna get a new canopy, so I know it's probably not the best, but it works for us. It's only one night, so I'm sure it'll be okay. Back down. Oh, my ears are popping. We're currently hiking to Baxter Falls. So far the walk's been fine. It's pretty downhill though, so the walk back up is going to be tough, but there's a lot of mozzies, so bring mozzie spray if you come. But we can hear the water, so we mustn't be far. We've made it to Baxter Falls after a few wrong turns and questioning if we've actually at the right place is a little bit hard to find. We made it and it's absolutely the walk is okay. Going up is going to be definitely the hardest. Going down was not too bad, it was just steep, so we'll see how we go, but we're definitely going to struggle on the walk back up, that's for sure. just driven to Kenilworth Bakery and I'm so excited because I am buggered after that walk from Baxter Falls. It almost killed me. Jaden's in his happy place, aren't you? Look.
Yeah.
So we arrived at our camping area, and it was just
not good.
Questionable. I should have taken a video, but it was just not a vibe at all. There was, I don't want to be rude, but there was strange people hanging around. It was really mozzie infested. The camping wasn't very nice. It just wasn't good. So we just called Bluff Creek camping, and they're going to squeeze us in. Thank gosh for that, because yeah, otherwise we're going to turn around and go home because we weren't staying there. It was very questionable. So we're on our way to Bluff Creek camping, so shout out to you guys. Thanks for saving us, seriously. Do you reckon you could climb that?
Yeah.
Oh, we're here already. Yay! Everyone, if you're coming this way, come here. Not to Conondale camping area. It is shit. Go to the creek there. Apparently that's good, but don't camp there. Alright, we've set up our camp pretty much. We're still having some issues with the fridge, which it was fine this morning when we left. So I don't think it's the fridge. I think it's the battery. And it's overdrawing power. Sorry, I was just listening to see if the fridge turned off, but it's overdrawing power, I think, and it's just too old and it can't keep up. Like, it can barely even run lights, so I think it's actually the battery that needs to be replaced, but that's fine because we've got another one at home, a brand new one that we got replaced under warranty from the car, so we'll put that in anyway. But I think that's what the issue is. So our fridge is rising the temperature, so hopefully nothing goes off, but it just keeps cutting in and out pretty much after 5 or so minutes. Look, there's a bush turkey. We'll be having that for dinner if our fridge keeps turning off. We'll cook her up on the fire. I'm just joking. So what was your review and rating on Baxter Falls today?
It was nice. Cold. Definitely worth the spot for a swim. I don't know if we went in the right way. It was a bit of a hike, but
I think both ways were the same. I'm not sure. We didn't really talk to anyone else.
It was definitely worth it.
Yeah.
It was good. I would definitely go there. I'd recommend going there. It's worth the hike. It's worth the drive.
The walk out is an absolute mission.
Only because it's uphill, but
yeah, for like 2k uphill.
Yeah.
It's hard.
It's not too bad.
It's
Hurling Brook's like that as well.
Yeah, if you have been to Catherine Edith Falls, that is worse. But it was hard. Like, I almost cried.
It wasn't that bad.
It was bad. I was struggling. It's very worth it though. Make sure you take your swimmers down, not like me who didn't, because I wish I could go for a swim. Well, I pretty much did because I fell in, but
yeah. definitely take swimmers.
Definitely
It's a
take your
good-
swimmers, and if
yeah.
you have a drone, make sure you take your drone down. I wish I took mine down because
The
we could have
waterfall's
got some
massive.
awesome shots of the waterfall on it, but I thought it would be too covered over with trees to
No,
get it up.
It's
But
perfect. Massive rock face. If you want to take a hammer drill and some bolts, bowl a line, and I'll come back climb it. Be tough.
okay, we're just cooking dinner. We're having pork noodle soup, like I said. We're using the jet boil for the first time. Never used it before, so seems to be going well, which is good. But yeah, that's the setup. I'm doing a time lapse, so that's what my phone's there for. I'm using the GoPro instead. Still having some fridge issues, but we've managed to get the fridge down to 0 degrees, and it was at 6 degrees. So we've managed to get it down, and we've pretty much narrowed it down to that. The issue is the battery. We've done some troubleshooting. We couldn't even get these LED lights to work, but somehow we're getting the fridge to work. So I don't know how, but we've managed to get it down. It's just hit 0. So yeah, sometimes it runs for, it's been running now for probably, I don't know, 15 minutes. Oh shit, better check this water. But I don't know if this is the correct way to turn it off. Should probably watch a video on how to use this thing, but been running for about 15 minutes now, and then some minutes it runs for, I don't know, a minute, 2 minutes. So Jaden's by the fire. But yeah, anyway, better get back to dinner. How's your dinner, lovey?
Good. Really good.
Really yummy, hey?
Yeah.
Hopefully you can hear that, but it's like, what do you reckon they are?
Cicadas, maybe?
Yeah, it's so, you can't really see me, but they're really loud. Wow. Update, bridge is still going. I set it to -4.
Everything is going to be frozen. And donuts
Yeah,
are
but
gonna
if-
be frozen by
No, they're sitting
dessert.
on top. We got donuts today from the Kenilworth Bakery. Yeah, but at least if it goes off overnight, then it'll be fine in the morning. I'm up here for thinking, down there for dancing, mate.
Negative.
Okay, man.
Not sure if you can see me properly, but
Look how dramatic that looks.
sorry.
It's a horror movie. It is Halloween.
Oh my gosh. We're washing up in the dark because I'm too scared to unplug the fridge from the battery.
It's
So
only at -4.
we've hit -4, people. We've hit -4. So we're washing up in the dark. So we're just using iPhone lights. Lucky, oh sorry, I forgot you can't see me. Lucky we don't have much to wash up.
Yeah, 3 bowls, some forks.
Yeah. What are you doing? Are you warming your donut? Good job, so smart. I'm not sure how well that's gonna work, but
It's getting pretty warm.
did you just put it up to your ear to listen to it?
No, up to my face.
Oh.
Idiot.
Oh my god, what's going on down there in the water? booked straight home. We were going to go to Creek Falls today, but we are going to give it a miss, sadly. We do really want to go there, but we are going to give it a miss. Main reason being we just don't really have the time. It is a 9.5 kilometre walk, and it's an hour away from where we are, so by the time we do that and then get back home, it'll just be too late. So we have decided to give it a miss, but we will go back and probably camp closer to the place next time, and just make a weekend out of it, so similar to what we did this weekend. But Bluff Creek camping grounds, really, really good. The facilities are really clean, the toilets and bathrooms, and the showers and that, all very clean. The grounds are immaculate, and you can have fires here, and it's really pretty. The birds this morning were really beautiful, just listening to them chirp away, which is pretty. But we are going to hit the road now and start making our way home. But yeah, so that's the end of the video, I guess. I'll just show you the view that I'm looking at right now. Jaden's just at the bathroom, but it is beautiful. But yeah, that view is beautiful. So sadly, this video probably isn't the best one. It's been a bit of a hectic weekend. We've had a lot of issues with fridges and things like that, so yes, we're still having issues with fridge problems. So when we're eating dinner last night, sitting by the fire, it went out, but we did get it down to -3, which was great. So it sort of lasted all night, so we can turn it on and check the temperature, but then it just sort of cuts out straight away. But this morning when I turned it on, it was at 2 degrees.